Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix FC25 can't connect to AA servers. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to open a browser, and then you just need to write EA servers, and probably it will be the first link here. Click on it and look if the EA servers is not down, right? If it's down, all you need to do here is to wait, and if it's not, then we can tweak some settings, right? So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you having good internet speed, you're good to go, and if you don't, maybe restart your router or limit some devices and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then first thing what I suggest to do here is to go to manage, go to view properties, open folder, and copy the path of the folder. On EA app, if using Steam, quite similar. I don't have a FC25 on Steam, is just a shortcut, but it will be like this here. Go to installed files and browse, and it will be the same, right? And then the next step, what you need to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, and paste the path, right? And then add exe file here, right? Add, and then look, run the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection, manage settings. Then look for exclusions, hit yes. We need to wait. Then select tag an exclusion folder, and then here again paste the path that you copied, and then select folder and add folder to the exclusion list. Next step, open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then again, we need to wait. You'll see black screen. And then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. Another command is nish winsock reset, right? After that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to settings, go to network and internet, go to advanced network settings, and then network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet, a LAN cable, you don't need to do here nothing, right? Then go back, find your internet connection, expand it, more adapter options, edit, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. apply the changes, maybe restart your computer, run the game, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.